This is replacing standard bolts on my front disc of my Aprilia V2 Tuono 2007. There's the actual original bolt, then replacing it with much better cap bolt. Got it very cheaply on the internet, same size, exactly the same size, and I'm slowly replacing each one. Just started that one off. I'm using, as recommended, Loctite 243, and the actual torque setting is, I think it's 30 Newton meters, which brings it down to about 22.4 foot-pounds, which my larger torque wrench is actually foot-pounds. I've got a smaller one, but it's which is just here somewhere, just here. But that one only actually goes up to, there it is, yeah, that one only actually goes up to about 20, something like that. But it's a nice one to use. But this one goes right up to 40, 150 foot-pounds, yeah. 50, that's it, 50 foot-pounds there. So, yeah, checking each one out. So I'm just doing that right now. I'm just piecing together the torque wrench, because obviously it's got to be adjusted down to what I've got for anyway, for the cap bolts, for the Allen key bolts. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Looking for the yeah, so I want to get the correct one. I think it's the larger one. Let's see, is that one? No, not that one. No. Maybe let's try that one. I lost it again. No, not that one. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's actually on my other torque wrench. Here we are. So let's put that one in there. You can see the Loctite on there, 243 is specified. It's actually medium they recommend for this particular bolt.